There's a war happening on your skin right now, and you're losing. Every square inch of your body is a battlefield, where trillions of organisms fight, die, and reproduce every single second. And some of these warriors aren't even on your side. Meet your skin's guardians, beneficial bacteria that coat every surface like living armor. Under the microscope, they look peaceful, just chilling in their colonies. But the moment a harmful invader shows up, it's total chaos. I captured footage of a staph bacteria trying to colonize a patch of skin, and within minutes, the good bacteria swarmed it like an army. Then there's the heavy artillery, your white blood cells. Watch this. That blob creeping across your screen isn't CGI. It's a real white blood cell hunting bacteria. It literally chases down the enemy, wraps around it, and dissolves it from the inside. Meanwhile, dust mites the size of tanks are harvesting your dead skin cells, like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. The craziest part, this war never stops. While you're watching this, millions of bacteria just died and were replaced on your arm alone. Your skin isn't just a covering, it's a living, breathing war zone. Comment which microscopic creature freaked you out the most, and subscribe for more.